Hello guys, welcome to ESTech Channel. So as you must have seen in title, today I'm going to show how to embed your Twitter timeline in Flutter. So let's not waste any time and get started with the work. So as you can see this website is known as publish.twitter.com. What exactly does it do? So as the name suggests publish, it actually publishes the Twitter content on your website. If I click on this button, you can see there are different things that can publish. One is first tweet, but for publishing tweet, you have to give the whole URL. It also publish the profile, the list, a handle, and a hashtag. Now, I would like to publish my handle. I'll write I am Yash Adulkar. That is my handle. Once I write it, you can just click on the button. Now it asks me whether I want to publish it as embedded timeline or Twitter button. So I would like to publish it as embedded timeline. Now, once I publish it as an embedded timeline, you can see I have got the code as well as the output that I need. So, what I will do is that I will copy the code from here. Once the code has been copied, the work on this website has been done. So, we can close this website. Now, I would like to just first of all, before moving ahead, I would like to show what work has been done until now to get you a gist of the work. I will just restart the whole application. And over here you can see I have the two containers. One is a blue container, one is a red container. Only this much work has been done, and now we will like to embed Twitter timeline in Flutter. To embed that, first what we'll do is like I will open the web folder, and the web folder I will create a new file name as twitter.html. Once you do that, I will write first that is the doc type space HTML. Then I would like to put up the HTML tag. Then I would like to put up the body tag and close it. Inside the body tag, I would like to copy the code of Twitter. Once we have copied the whole code, what we have to do is that in the anchor tag, we have to put up the ID known as Twitter. Now, this ID, I have put it up as a Twitter. You can put it up as anything there is nothing compulsion to put it as Twitter. It is just for my simplicity. Now, I would like to close Twitter.html and go to the home page. Now, in the home page, what I will do is that first of all, I would like to import .ui as UI. Once I import it, I would like to go over here, UI dot platform view registry dot register view platform. Close the bracket and semicolon. Now you can see over here there is an error. Now this is kind of like actually warning it is not an error, and even if you try to run the application with this error, there is not an issue. But to close this error, I would like to put up over here something. I have saved it over here itself. You can put up this ignore signature that is undefined prefix name. Now I generally don't remember it every time, so I've written it up over here for safe side to remember it properly. I will just copy and paste it over here. Once you have pasted it, as you can see, the error has gone up. Now inside this, I would like to write it as Twitter, comma, int UID is equal to iframe element. Now the iframe element, if you can see, it is actually imported by dart.html. Over here we have got dart::html. Now inside the iframe element, I like two dots and then put up src. src is equal to web slash twitter.html. Also dot again, then style dot border is equal to none, and then a comma. Now once this work has been done, what we have to do is that, as you can see, I have two containers. One is a blue container, one is a red container. I will have to replace the red container with the Twitter content. So I will just remove the color over here and put up child HTML element view bracket view type single quotes Twitter and save it. Once you save it over here, you shall get the code, the Twitter output over here. So let's just give it a minute. And we have got the whole Twitter output. But this output doesn't look nice. We have to change it a bit. So the main purpose of the application of this tutorial has been done, and now I would like to just improve the UI for the application. So first of all, what I'll do is that I will first remove this color and write it over your child text, that is Twitter in Flutter web forward slash it forward slash it. Actually, it shall be Twitter timeline in Flutter web. I'll just close this text edit because we don't need it. And let's just wait for the output. So I've got the output over here, but it's very small. So what I'll do is just put up a comma style theme dot of context dot text theme dot headline 4. I'm just putting some style to it right now, and the size will increase, but the color is not nice. So what I'll do is that copy with color colors dot white. Also, the text align should be center. So the text align dot center. So once we have done this, let's save it and let's see the output. Okay, then the left side is over there, but it is not visible. So what I'll do is I will give a background color to scaffold, and it is colors.blue. And let's see the output again. So now it is looking nice, but this content is pretty big, and we don't want such a big content. So what I'll do is, rather than putting up a container, I'll put up a margin over here. That is the edge insets dot symmetric. Vertical should be like 100 and horizontal should 30. Let's save it and see. So now this content looks nice. As I was tweeting out, you can also see that it actually scrolls and also shows the previous tweets that I have done. You can put it up in your company's landing page as a Twitter output and show your Twitter feed over here. The communities can actually put up in the community landing page and put up the show the tweets. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you all are doing well. Bye bye.